Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually tuning in for the first time, and guess what? We just installed a wig with literally no work. So I've teamed up with YGwigs to bring you this beautiful long bob. I believe she's about 14 inches in length, and it came with the cut, it came with the color, it came with the curls. This one is a beautiful Swiss lace wig, so the hairline, the parting, everything you needed to be done was done. Literally just bond her down with the Eben Wonder Lace, let that set, cut the excess lace off, and we are here. Super simple and easy. So if you want to see how this one comes straight out of the box and how I installed her, I did add a little bit of baby hair. That really was the only thing. You don't have to add it if you don't like, but yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into this quick tutorial. Okay guys, watching my girl Pretty Bree MUA, shout out to her. There's nothing to watch on YouTube. I feel like when I get on YouTube these days, when I don't know if I'm not following enough people or subscribed to enough people, but it just be like nothing is new from yesterday. So a bunch of old videos are coming up like in the suggestions, and so that's what I'm watching right now. But I did receive a package from YGwigs, basically like my monthly package at this point. So you know it's up and it's stuck with us. There's also a goodie bag in here. You guys know this is like an adjustable, or not adjustable, but like a cute little drawstring backpack. And this is the pack right here. As you guys can see, I've already gotten my hands on this beauty. A lot of the times when I receive wigs, I kind of will open them up just to see what I received. And this is the tissue paper. Their tissue paper definitely has the logo on it. Now what I love about a lot of the wigs that I review from YGwigs, usually it's already styled and colored. A lot of the wigs that I go with for them usually have a color, and I just feel like I love these wigs because they always look good and compliment me so well. So typically, outside of this company, a lot of the wigs that I go with are like normal wigs, like, you know, natural brown color. And these days, I just don't have the time and the energy to color. I would love to get back into it because it is kind of fun to, you know, create your own color. But, you know, lately nowadays, companies can do the job for you and do it so well, so perfect and professional that you don't have to like mess up your countertops. I've messed up tile floor, I've messed up sinks, doing the most. And so, you know, they do it for me, and they go ahead and dry it, style it, left it with a nice little cut and curl. So I am good to go without any headache. They do have it set as a center part, and look at that. It looks so good and so natural. And then this is what the wig looks like from the inside. Absolutely beautiful. And the icing on the cake is that we definitely get an adjustable elastic band. It does have their logo on it. So you guys know, especially when you're washing like a bunch of wigs at a time, sometimes we tend to take out the adjustable strap, and then they all get collected in one, and then you gotta try to figure out which one goes to which. So you won't have to question with this one because it says the name on it. So I'm gonna take this wig off, and then we're gonna put this one on, and then we're gonna jump into the install. This one should be simple, easy install / show and tell. I might have to touch up the curls a little bit, just depending, but I love the fact that, you know, not a lot to it. So let's see if the curls survive the install, and if not, we'll see how well we can make it do what it do.
Yeah, me like it. Every time you wake up, stunning with no makeup. Me like it. How you call my name up, got me feeling way up. Me like it. Haters tryna break us, them know they can shake us. Me like it. Baby, me no chaser. Get ready to take off, okay? Yeah, up and away we go. I can never find nobody like you, my baby. Oh, hit him one time. Yeah, she no play no game, you know. I can never find no hottie like you, my baby. Would you be my number one? Number one, A, number one. Number one, A, number one. Number one, A, number one. Won't you be my number one? Number one, A, number one. Number one, A, number one. Number one, A, number one. Yeah, me like it. How she moving real slow when she pulling me close. Me like it. When we kiss and make up, she be getting paper. Me like it. Girl, that body so tight. Gonna be a long night. Me like it. Baby, me no chaser. Nothing can replace us. Okay, yeah. Up and away.
Had to step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my game up. When you bring my name up, they gon' say I came up. They gon' say I changed up. Step my
Same little nigga from the get-go, bet your bitch go for me. I don't really need that chick though, please come get your shorty. Teed up, gassed up, sick, go with my whip, go 40. Come, I really don't miss shit though, you gon' get your shortly. Oh, that's shortly, do the work and read the end of it. Selling game and pimpin' penny shit, popping off a purely pimpin' shit.
Look at my neck bright, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side. I'm in that new coupe, my nigga, I been fired. I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that west side. I'm in that new coupe, my nigga, I been fired. I get that check right. Look, off of that side. Wave, look, hey, I don't do no fake love. Tell lil' bruh shape up. The way we lit, they throwin' shade, but they never say nothing. Bitch, I'm that maze runner. I been on the stage done. My drip on Blade Runner. And the way we move, it ain't no creases on my A1s. 2021, about to be mine, word to my day ones. Niggas shooting blindside, I aim straight for the frames, huh? I don't take no L's, my boy, I learned from y'all mistakes, huh? I just up my rate, I made my way, get out of my lane, bruh. Now we got some traction, everything been so surreal. I'm trying to get used to keeping check of how I feel. My ex is somewhat stressed, she dropped the ball, but that's a well. I just tied the knot linked to the game, she got a pill. I'm much more concerned with.
Okay, love bugs, I took a few minutes off to go ahead and let the hairline set just a little bit more. Shameless confession. My mother's favorite soft drink, pop, soda. We call it soda in California, but her favorite drink was Pepsi growing up. Of course, that was like the 80s, the 90s. Since then, we've obviously learned that Pepsi probably is one of the worst soft drinks you can probably drink. So I don't drink it that often. I have been into the Coke Zero a lot lately, trying to stay away from sugary drinks, even though we know fake sugar just is whatever. Long story long, I'm in Target the other day and I seen Pepsi Mango. Mango is one of my favorite fruits, one of my favorite flavors. Mango and peach are like two of my favorite, so I had to get it and I am so obsessed. So I got a 12 pack and I've been trying to only drink one a week, like one on Saturdays. So far last week I had 2, but tonight I am working and it is like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. So as terrible as it is, I am drinking a Pepsi Mango, but it is so delicious. If you like mango flavors, you're probably thinking like, how does that even mix? Pepsi and mango, like fruity Pepsi sounds weird. The only thing you can mix it with is like cherry, but it is so fire. I wish they had it like in the zero or the diet, but I'm trying to only have it once a week until the case is gone, and then I'm not gonna have it anymore until I get closer to my goals. But anyways, I am allowing the hairline to set. You guys know for my line, I do have a melt belt headband that I use all the time. YGwigs included this one in their package and it's absolutely beautiful, so that is a bonus. That came out of this little goodie pack right here. So again, while we let this set, I'll show you the other goodies. I have 2 of these like dolphin clips, red edge brush, a pack of lashes, and wig cap, and like a little care booklet. Let's take this off and reveal. And you guys can see how melted the hairline looks. The only thing left to do is kind of just add a little bit of powder. So you guys already know Fit Me has been one of my favorites lately. And I use it in the color 72. 72 just makes sure that it's not too red and it's not too bright or highlighted. As you guys can see how it darkened my skin. It is a shade or two darker than my skin. I just find that I don't like it when I get that flashback and you see the hairline and it looks white. So I personally just found that if the powder, because I am the 360 in this powder, 360 just gives like a little too light and highlighted, whereas this one gives like, it blends with my complexion a little bit better. Let me try to buff out the powder. So this one does have a HD Swiss lace, and I believe the dimensions is 13 by 6. You already know you can find all the details in the description box as well as a direct link to this wig. But I just wanted to make sure I showed you everything about this one. She is 14 inches in length, which still gives a bob look and a bob vibe with the curls, but of course it's like a lob, like a long bob. So if you want something a little bit shorter, of course check out YGwigs for plenty of other options. You guys know they got you covered. Very work safe, very fun, club safe, vacation safe. This one is one you can pull out, you know, all throughout, especially the warmer months. You can even pull off in the fall and winter. I'm a person, I don't do the whole like seasons because I'm from California where we don't have seasons. It's sunny all year around, so I don't do that. But for those of you who are in different climates and kind of gravitate to certain looks for certain seasons, I would say this one is warm enough to go into like the fall. Right now spring it's popping, summer it'll be popping. Again, I would wear it in winter, but probably winter probably is the time of the year you may wear this one the least if you are into that type of like seasonal hair. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Great option because it comes with the movement, it comes with the color, it comes with the beautiful lace, it comes with everything you need, even the cut. I'll have it linked in the description box for you guys with all of the details on this one, including the density. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.